welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. Today we are going to make mutton paya. Let's start with the ingredients. I have 2 sets of mutton paya, 4 large tomato paste, 3 medium-sized finely chopped onions, 4 tablespoons coconut paste, handful of mint leaves, handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 onion paste, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Everest meat masala, or else you can also use shan paya masala, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and salt as you need it. There are many variations of this recipe. It can be soupy or gravy consistency according to your liking. So I'm going to add some tips here, so don't skip this video, watch till it ends. Heat half a cup of oil in a pressure cooker on medium-high heat. Then goes in finely chopped onion. Fry this till it becomes translucent. To this, I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for 30 seconds. And now I am going to add mutton paya. Mix nicely. Then goes in onion paste. Give a very good mix. For the best results, prepare the paya curry overnight and serve next day. It tastes very yummy. Let's take a peek inside. To this, I am adding spices like 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon Everest meat masala, or you can also use shan paya masala. Goes in some salt. Give this a very good mix. To this I am adding tomato paste. And now I am going to cook this for at least 10 minutes in a very slow flame. Goes in finely chopped coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Adding some water. Finally, I am going to add coconut paste in it. Give a very good mix. I am adding a tip here. If you want to make it in a regular pan, boil trotters until it becomes tender and almost falling off the bone. I'm going to add 2 cups of water in it. You will need to use more water in it, so just keep topping them with water as needed while they boil. They will take about 2 hours to cook it in a regular pan. Slow cook for at least 10 minutes in a slow flame and then close it and pressure cook for at least 10 whistles. After 10 whistles, open the lid. Be careful while opening. Open once pressure released. Now check with the trotters. If it's cooked, then you can serve. If it's not, Close the lid again and slow cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes in a very slow flame. Open once pressure released. Now serve warm with dosa, appam or parota. I love eating with dosa. It is amazingly good. I hope you guys like this recipe. Do try this at home and let me know how it comes for you. Share images with me on my Instagram page shimmies.kitchen right below there. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon. Take care and happy cooking.